Hello everyone, welcome to an Academy Live NTA UGC Net. Guys, in the unit number 9, People, Development and Environment with respect to UGC Net examination of paper 1, we are having one important topic which is repeated in the previous year question of a 2020 and 2019 also this question was there. Air quality index. They will ask the air quality index related question. They can ask what are the parameters or what type of pollutants will be considered in calculating this AQI, which is air quality index. So everything I will discuss in a very short form. Guys, I also teach at an Academy free platform for the paper 1 daily 12 p.m. data interpretation previous year question for 15 to 25 minutes, 1 or 2 DIs I am doing, and at 5:30 p.m. final battle for a JRF do or die topic wise previous year question I am doing, and at 7:30 p.m. most frequently asked questions, that is unit wise frequently asked question, repeat series is going on, and you can just go through with the link given in the description. Once you click on that link, my profile will get open. After that, go to the special classes, click on notify me. Air quality index is an index reporting air quality on daily basis, and this will be measuring how the air pollution is affecting the health within a short time period. That is what a measurement is going to be done in an index formation. This is a purpose of AQI is to people to know local air quality impacts on their health. The Environmental Protection Agency calculates the AQI for 5 major air pollutants for which national air quality standards have been established to safeguard the public health. So based on that only the AQI is going to be decided. Higher the air quality index value, greater will be the level of pollution, and lower the air quality index, lower will be the pollution. That's why it will be expanding more quickly in a real-time basis. The more pollution can happen if the index is more. Now what will be, this is a PYQ over here, what will be considered, what type of pollutants, how many pollutants will be considered in calculating a AQI. First one is ground level ozone or else surface ozone, particulate matter 2.5 and 2.10, PM 2.5, PM 10, carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide, nitrogen oxide, lead and ammonia. Carbon dioxide is not there in the calculation of the AQI. So these are the 6 parameters or the 6 pollutant will be used to measure or to calculate the air quality index in the measurement of air quality in the local. Now what will be the objective? First primary objective is that comparing a air quality condition with the different locations and the cities. So every place will be having the respective index, and the pollution can be compared, air pollution can be compared when you calculate this index because of the same parameters. And it also identifying in faulty standards and inadequate monitoring programs. It will act like a plan of action to be taken up in the future, and analyzing a changes in the air quality is also one of the objective behind the air quality index calculation. And air quality index will inform the public about the environmental condition and what type of precautionary measures to be taken. Based on the AQI only they will taken a final decision, if because air pollution is going to impact on the people, so this index will help to take the proper precautionary measures to avoid that pollution. And how it will be calculated usually in India, we are having a 500 point scale. This will be using a point scale to identify or to calculate the air quality index. United States usually uses 500 point scale when rating between the 0 and 50 considered as a good, and rating between 301 to 500 is considered as a very hazardous in nature. In the same way, India is also following a 500 point scale. Every day monitors recording concentration of the major pollutant. Major pollutants are nothing but these 6 pollutant which is given. On this only the calculation will be depending. Ground level ozone, particulate matter, PM 2.5, PM 10, carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide, nitrogen dioxide, lead and ammonia. Carbon dioxide is not going to be included over here. Carbon monoxide is included. So please spell out these 6 types of gases which are involved in calculation of the air quality index. In the comment box, please mention so that you will be remember for a longer period of time. If you like this session, please do hit the like button and do not forget to share it with your friends.